Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Grab the physical or emailed Roblox gift card and reveal the 16-character code. You'll sign into your Roblox account on a browser or the mobile app. Use your regular username and password so the credit links correctly. Once signed in, navigate directly to the redeem page. This avoids account confusion. Make sure you're using a secure network and that the code is fully visible, no missing characters, so the next steps go smoothly. Now you'll enter the code itself. Go to Redeem, Roblox.com or the app's Redeem section and carefully type the 16-character code. Double-check each character, letter O versus 0 and similar mistakes are common, copy-paste if possible. After typing, click Redeem and observe the confirmation screen showing the dollar amount. This verifies the code applied to your account. If prompted, follow any on-screen steps to convert credit to Robux or a premium subscription, and wait for the update to appear in your Finish by applying your new credit. Purchase Robux or use the balance in the avatar shop. Navigate to checkout and select account credit to spend it. If the code returns invalid, confirm the card was activated at purchase and that you entered the code correctly. Sometimes stores must activate cards at the register. If the balance doesn't update, take a screenshot of the error and the card. Then contact Roblox support. Provide the screenshot and proof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.